Transitions are the simplest way to improve the quality of your reels. In this video, I will teach you the basics behind filming Instagram Reel transitions so that you can quickly and easily film transitions on your own.
Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada.
When you're filming transitions, you need to do an action to do the transition. So say for example, if I want to transition with finger snaps, or if I want to jump, or if I want to turn my head, I can do any kind of action. I just need to do an action at the beginning and at the end. So that way I can start with a transition and then transition to the next thing. So let's make this simple and let's do 3 different transitions. So we're gonna start with one transition, then we're gonna go to the next one, then we're gonna go to the next one, and then we're gonna go back to the first one. Let's start with the first one being a finger snap. So if I know my first one is a finger snap, and let's have my second one be a jump. So I know in this video, I'm gonna have to do a finger snap and a jump. So I'm gonna film that. So let's just set my timer and start doing it. There we go. Stop when you're done. So now we're gonna do a jump to a hand clap, and then we're gonna go back to the finger snap. Okay, so for the next one, before I do my next shot, I want to change something up in here. So this is great if you're out and about and you're filming something, or if you're able to change your background. How I'm gonna change my background is I'm just going to move my camera so that it's a little bit different from my previous shot. Let's move it here. There we go. So it's a little bit different from my previous shot, and then I can do, I started with a jump and I'm gonna do a hand clap. So timer, set timer. Oh, I messed that up. Stop that, stop that. So if you make a mistake, you just need to delete that clip. So go to next, edit clips, click on the clip and delete. Let's preview this one. Okay. There you go. So let's go back into here and let's film this. So let's add timer, set timer, and I'm gonna jump and then clap. Perfect, I got that one. So it's okay that you have some buffer at the front and the end, because we're gonna cut this all together. We're gonna edit it after we get all the clips. So I'm just gonna film all the clips first. And then so our final one is going to be, I'm gonna keep the positioning. Let's make it like a little bit different, but still same. So let's do, here. I'm gonna do a hand clap and then I'm gonna do a snap, because I just finished my last one with a snap and I started with the hand clap. So timer, let's do that again. There we go. Stop, stop, stop. So we've got all our clips. They have a little bit of a change between them, and now it's just a matter of editing them. So I'm gonna go to next, and I'm gonna click edit clips. There we go. I'm gonna click on the clip itself and I'm gonna start with the first one. So I'm gonna trim it to where I do the action. And then I'm gonna trim it to where I'm jumping. So if I'm up, let's do up. Go back to all clips, and now let's do the next one. So I trimmed the jump when I was up, so I need to be going down for this one. Make sure I have, there we go. And then the clap. So I clap. Go to all clips, and then the next one. It's with the clap and the snap. Perfect. And now you just preview it and see how it goes together. There we go, done. Now I can add some music to this. So when my menu is up top, I can adjust the entire clip. I could save this as is in case I want it for later. I can add some music to it. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. I can get rid of my original audio so I don't hear my clap and stuff, so let's just lower that. So in the first cut, the first trim, all of these looked pretty good, but say for example, I trim this a little bit too late, and then if I go back and it doesn't look as good, so let's see that, see the jump, that looks a little awkward, then I just have to go back in and fine tune it, make sure that it looks like it goes together when I edit it. Just by fine tuning where you start and stop each clip, you can really make that look good. So the main thing to remember with this is to figure out what transition you're gonna start with and what transition you're gonna end with. If you want to make this simple and uncomplicated and not add different transitions to it, you can just do the same transition for each transition, but you have to do it twice. So say if I'm doing just a finger snap, so I would start with the finger snap, do some kind of action, end with the finger snap. And then I'm in my next location, I have a finger snap, I do something, and I end with a finger snap. And then that's gonna easily cut together. Having a hard time coming up with a real transition idea? Check out these videos where I give you more tips on specific transitions. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Until next time, peace!